A bunch of Filipinos work on board the Carnival Liberty, and I'm so proud and honored to have met some of them.
Hi, John.
Vlogger po kayo?
Opo.
Yes. Pero yung lola ko po taga Miagao.
Ah, talaga?
Opo. Pero di ako nakakapunta doon kasi medyo malayo-layo rin.
Si John taga Miagao, pinag-date sa Cavite. Thank you, John. You have a good day.
Have a great day.
John works at the omelette section as an egg expert and transfers in the afternoon at the Mongolian Walk.
I am with Jesselyn and Charlotte at the Cantina section of the Carnival Liberty.
Hello.
Come close with us.
Yeah. Sobrang sarap ng kanilang. Anong specialty niyo dito? Mexican. Very good. Masyadong mabili, no? Mabenta. Kasama ko po ngayon si Catalino Villarreal, restaurant server dito sa Carnival Liberty. Catalino, kamusta ka?
Mabuti po.
I'm happy to meet you. Anong message mo sa family mo sa Pilipinas?
Sana maging good health po kayo. Pamili ko dyan.
A snappy salute to all the modern Filipino heroes working on board the Carnival Liberty. Thank you to all the crew and the cabin steward who made my experience truly an unforgettable one on board the Carnival Liberty.
Mga kabayan, ingat po!